Hello and welcome to another library information literacy tutorial. Today's tutorial is going over how do I find books at the library. Not ebooks, we'll cover that in a different video, but rather print books. This is something that confounds a number of people because they can see all the ebooks, all the articles, but they just can't seem to get to the actual physical books that we own. There's two ways of doing that. The first is Encore, the search right here that says Encore, and the second is Classic Catalog. So we're going to start with Encore. In here we're going to look for a book on autism. I've probably found a lot of articles in Encore, but I might be having a hard time finding the physical books. So there is a research starter right here, which is great, and it'll give you a lot more data and some maybe more specific keywords. But we're going to use this left refine by and go down to format. So you can hit more. This is going to open up a list of every type of material that is listed in this in Encore. And we're going to go down where it says books print. There are 62. So we're going to select that. And now we actually have our print items. The first one you can see does not have a call number. If you can't see a call number like this, where it says call number, and it says on order, there's a good chance that that book is not here yet, and it's something we've ordered but that hasn't come in and been cataloged. If it is like this one, which is the second option, it says available, or it'll say a due date. If it says a due date, don't bother going to the shelf and retrieving it because it's checked out to someone else. If, however, it's green and it says available, feel free to head to the shelves. So then there's the call number. The call number is the address of the book on the shelves. So this says it's in the main stack, second floor, so that's our mezzanine level, and then you go to RJ 506.A9W479 2017. So for this, anything that is after a decimal point, just remember that it is a decimal point, so it isn't a whole number. So when you're looking for them, just think in terms of math. I know, I hate doing it too. If you select the title, it's going to give you a fuller view of this. It's going to give you the information about it, its contents, a book summary, and some additional subjects that you may want to look at. The thing I'm going to show you is the Map It. So our collection is on 2 different floors, and this Map It button allows you to see exactly where on the floor your item is located. So it tells you the mezzanine level, and it's on the right side all the way back to row 23, and this row covers RA through ZA. So a little more than halfway down the aisle, you should start looking for the RJs and then just follow it each line down. So RJ 506.A9 W479 2017, and you should be able to find your book. If you can't, then please come see us at the front desk. Our student workers or library staff would love to help you. The next way we're going to look at finding a book is through Classic Catalog. So we're going to go back to the home page. We're going to hit Classic Catalog, and it's going to open our Classic Catalog. Now you have a couple of things, but you have to do a drop down. So you have keyword, title, author, subject, ISBN, or call number. We're going to use keyword just like we did in Encore, and autism goes in there. Then you hit submit. So what this is going to do is it does have similar books, but as you can see, they're not necessarily in the exact same order. So here's the book we just looked at, and as you can see in Classic Catalog, the Map It feature is actually here on the summary page, which is really, really great. You can look in the entire collection, which is fine. The only thing that's different between this and Encore is that you can't weed out the ebooks. So see this little E right here on the book page? That means it's an ebook. And we can't weed those out in Classic Catalog, which is where Encore has an advantage. So right here, if you didn't want to click on the title, you can hit Map It, and it's going to show you where it would be on the shelf. It only shows Map It for the resources that are print titles, so that's a really clear indicator whether or not it's an ebook or a print book. So that's it for this video. In our other subsequent videos, we will go in more detail over ebooks. But I hope you enjoyed watching this, and please let us know if you need any help or have any questions.